El Niño is a band of warm ocean water temperatures that periodically develops off the Pacific coast of South America. There is a phase of El Niño's southern oscillation, ENSO, which refers to variations in the temperature of the surface of the tropical eastern Pacific Ocean and in air surface pressure in the tropical western Pacific. The two variations are coupled. The warm oceanic phase, El Niño, accompanies high air surface pressure in the western Pacific, while the cold phase, La Niña, accompanies low air surface pressure in the western Pacific. Developing countries depend upon agriculture and fishing. Particularly those bordering the Pacific Ocean are the most affected. El Niño is Spanish for the boy, and capitalist term El Niño refers to the Christ child Jesus because periodic warming in the Pacific near South America is usually noticed around Christmas. El Niño is defined by prolonged warming in the Pacific Ocean sea surface temperatures when compared with the average value. Typically, this normally happens at irregular intervals of 2 to 7 years and lasts 9 months to 2 years. The average period length is 5 years. When this warming occurs for only 7 to 9 months, it is classified as El Niño conditions. When it occurs for more than that period, it is classified as El Niño episodes. Similarly, La Niña conditions and episodes are defined for cooling. The first signs of El Niño are rise in surface pressure over the Indian Ocean, Indonesia, and Australia. Second, fall in air pressure over Tahiti and the rest of the Central and Eastern Pacific Ocean. Third, trade winds in the South Pacific weaken or head east. Fourth, warm air rise near Peru, causing rain in the northern Peruvian deserts. 5. Warm water spreads from the West Pacific and the Indian Ocean to the East Pacific. It takes the rain with it, causing extensive drought in the Western Pacific and rainfall in the normally dry Eastern Pacific. El Niño's warm rush of nutrient-poor water heated by its eastward passage in the equatorial current replaced the cold, nutrient-rich surface water of the Humboldt Current. When El Niño conditions last for many months, extensive ocean warming and the reduction in easterly trade winds limit upwelling of cold nutrition-rich deep water, and its economic impact to local fishing for an international market can be serious. The Southern Oscillation. The Southern Oscillation is the atmospheric component of El Niño. This component in an oscillation in surface air pressure between the tropical eastern and the western Pacific Ocean waters. The strength of the Southern Oscillation is measured by the Southern Oscillation Index, the SOI. The SOI is computed from fluctuations in the surface air pressure difference between Tahiti and Darwin and Australia. El Niño are associated with negative values of the SOI, meaning there is below normal pressure over Tahiti and above normal pressure of Darwin. Low atmospheric pressure tends to occur over warm water, and high pressure occurs over cold water. In part because of deep convection of the warm water, El Niño episodes are defined as sustained warming of the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. This results in a decrease in the strength of the Pacific trade winds and a reduction in rainfall over eastern and northern Australia. During non-El Niño conditions, the Walker circulation is seen at the surface as easterly trade winds that move water and warmer by the sun toward the east. This also creates ocean upwelling of the coast of Peru and Ecuador and brings nutrition-rich cold water to the surface, increasing fishing stocks. The western side of the equatorial Pacific is characterized by the warm, wet, low-pressure western as they collect moisture in the dump in the form of the typhoons and thunderstorms. The ocean is some 60 centimeters, 24 inches, higher in the western Pacific as the result of its motion.